Hey everybody, Tasha here, also known as Coupon Countrygrl, and I am currently at CVS ready to do some awesome deals. So I'm going to start off in the makeup aisle where the CoverGirl stuff is buy two get $5 back in extra care bucks. I'm going to grab two of these CoverGirl Easy Breezy brow fillers. They're $5.99 each, and I am going to use two of the $2 off coupon, or two of the $3 off coupons, I'm sorry. So I'm going to grab two of those. I'm also going to get two of the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. They are currently buy two, get $5 back in extra care bucks. I'm going to use this $3 off two printable coupon, and there is a digital coupon for this as well. So they're already resetting the store in my store for tomorrow's deals, but the Garnier is on sale 2 for $7. I'm going to get two of those. I also have a $4 off from the 126 newspaper and a $1 off that printed for everybody at the red box. So I'm going to grab two of these. Okay, so this is everything I'm getting. I'm not sure if the $3 off digital is going to attach to the L'Oreal as well. It did on one of my other accounts, and I'm using a new account that has no extra care bucks on it that I've never used before. So we're going to go to the register and see how this goes. Okay, I gotta be quick because I have to go into work, but I wanted to show you my CVS receipt real quick. So those are the items that I got. Now this is a newbie friendly couponing scenario. You can do this if you just made your account, if you have no CRTs, absolutely nothing. This is one of my extra accounts and I had never bought anything on it, and I wanted to buy some hair care products so that it would trigger CRTs to come up. So I got the CoverGirl makeup. That was like $1.02 Moneymaker. I got the Garnier and I got the L'Oreal. Now down here, if you look at my coupons, all my paper coupons came off that I handed her, as well as the L'Oreal digital coupon. And now the L'Oreal was buy two, get $5 back in extra care bucks. Let's see. They were, I think, okay, they were $4.99 each. So that's $10. Then I had a $4 off two. That brings it down to $6. Then I had another $3 off. That brings it down to $3. And I got $2 back in extra care bucks. So that was a money maker as well. Now I paid $11 out of pocket, but I did get back $10 in extra care bucks, which means I really only paid 96 cents. And let me see, no, $1.96. So I paid $1.96 for all of those items, and then I got $10 back in extra care bucks. And that includes my extra care bucks. So I paid $11.96 out of pocket. I got $10 back to spend at CVS. So I paid $1.96 for all those items. Not too bad for a first transaction at CVS.